MQGASX, Macquarie hamstrung by asset sales, plots $2 billion buyback. Skip to navigation, skip to content, skip to footer. Help using this website. Accessibility statement. Markets data. Events. Lists. Advertisement. Companies. Financial services. Investment banking. Macquarie hamstrung by asset sales, plots $2 billion buyback. Macquarie's first half net profit slumped 39% as market volatility and fewer opportunities to trade assets led to a dip in activity across its business lines, from deal-making to funds management. The board also approved a share buyback of up to $2 billion. The group said global economic conditions, persistent inflation and geopolitical events meant it would apply a conservative approach to capital deployment and funding. It is a rare downturn for the asset manager, which leveraged multiple sales and record trading volumes in its Americas gas and commodities divisions to juice group profits last year. Macquarie Group CEO Shamara Wickramanayake. Michael Quelch. The group's share price fell roughly 1.5% to $158.02 in early Friday trading, after it revealed net profit had fallen 38.7% to $1.4 billion for the first half of the 2024 financial year, from $2.3 billion a year earlier. Chief Executive Shamara Wickramanayake said the results were substantially down. She expected important transactions in Macquarie's green energy business to close in the second half of 2024. Advertisement. The group also announced that Wayne Byers, the former Australian Prudential Regulation Authority chairman, would join Macquarie as a non-executive director. His appointment, effective February 1, 2024, comes after Michael Coleman's expected retirement next year. Group capital was in surplus of $10.5 billion, and an interim dividend was declared at $2.55 a share, which represented a 70% payout ratio. The dividend was down from a $4.50 a share final dividend paid out in July. Investment banking slumps. Profits at Macquarie's annuity-style businesses, which includes asset management, slumped 43% to roughly $1.3 billion as asset management saw fewer sales and banking grappled with increased operating costs and job cuts last month. Banking and financial services, comprising Macquarie's retail banking arm, was up 10%. Its investment bank, Macquarie Capital, and its commodities and global markets business logged a $1.6 billion net profit, down 32%. Advertisement. Commodities and global markets booked a massive 54% spike in net profit of $6 billion in May thanks to elevated trading volumes, which benefited from geopolitical volatility that rocked commodity prices since Russia invaded Ukraine. Macquarie's total assets grew 2% to $892 billion from $879 billion. A dip in the Australian dollar improved the value of total assets under management. The Americas, Europe, Middle East and Africa and Asia now make up 65% of Macquarie's income and roughly half of its 21,270 employees. Introducing your newsfeed. Follow the topics, people and companies that matter to you. Find out more. Read more. Investment banking. Macquarie Group. Earnings season. Shamara Wickramanayake. Sponsored. Advertisement. Latest in financial services. Fetching latest articles. Most viewed in companies. The Daily Habit of Successful People. Copyright 2023, The Australian Financial Review, 9 Entertainment Company.